Our story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include remote start, parking assist system, premium sound system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 run against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.